Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to write on Google Maps. Google Maps isn't just for navigation, it's also a powerful platform where you can write reviews, suggest edits, and contribute information. Whether you want to leave a review for a restaurant, correct a business detail, or add a missing location, Google Maps lets you do it. And here's how you can write on Google Maps effectively. In this video tutorial, I'll walk you through the process step by step. So let's start by the first method, which is writing a Google Maps review. Now to do that, open Google Maps by going to maps.google.com and search for a place. For example, you can search for this one right here. And then scroll down to write a review. Let's scroll all the way down. Now as you can see, here are the section for reviews. You're gonna click on write a review. Now here you can also give a star rating and write your feedback. You can add photos and click post. You can share the details of your own experience at this place here in this section. You can rate the restaurant, its food, its service, and its atmosphere. Now the second method is suggesting edits to locations. Now search for the business or place and tap suggest an edit and update details like address, hours, phone number or category and submit changes for Google review. As for the third method is add in missing locations, and to do that just tap on the plus or add a missing place option in Google Maps and enter details like name, category or location and submit the information for approval. Writing on Google Maps helps businesses grow and provides valuable information to users. Whether you're reviewing a place, suggesting edits, or adding location, your contribution improves the experience for everyone. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.